Welcome everyone. Just want to show you a video on how to replace the motor for the MAxx air fan. The model number is somewhere in here for the intech Sol Horizon, pretty much. So first thing you do, take out this filter and broke it here, and the part number for the motor is right here. All right, so we're gonna take this screw right here, screw right here, and also right here at the end with the Phillips heads. All right, the reason why we took the screw out so we can expose the wiring here and also the connector, so we can reach they come with a new fan. There's a connector there. So since I already dismantled everything, there's a 8mm bolt that you have to undo from here. Once you do that, I don't know where you can see it from here, but there is two screws here that you have to undo so you can fit the wire through this hole. And it's held down by two Phillips heads right here. That's probably the hardest part. It's kind of hard to reach and see the hole. It's kind of hard to see the hole because you have to very much untighten it blindly. So from here, you're gonna raise the connector and connect it back together here. So I believe 8mm socket. You're just gonna tighten these bolts up right there. So removing is pretty much the same procedures. I'm just installing. I'm not doing it in a proper order since already I have everything out. And then once everything's tightened up, make sure you plug it in and then test it out that it works. That way you, instead of installing all over again and it doesn't work, then you're just gonna waste time. So tighten it. I don't know how many foot-pounds, but just don't over tighten it. That's good right there. Now you can connect the connector back on there. All right, so to finish it off, you're gonna zip tie. Use a zip tie to hold the cables together so it wouldn't not go anywhere. And then we got this fan here. So in the beginning, the blades goes here, and there's a bolt right here, right there. There's probably a number, I believe number 564, I believe. I'm not sure, but be careful with those bolts because I have to go to Ace Hardware to come and get another one. Make sure when you take it off, take it completely off. Don't leave it on there. It will fall off. Okay, so I found the size. It's 332 right here. It bolts all the way through here. So size 332. Just make sure you tighten back up. So voila, it's all put back together. So and then I'm going to turn on, flip the breaker. There you go. Nice and quiet. Working well. And open. Alright, just a disclaimer. Whatever you do, do not take this thing apart. If you do, you're gonna have a bad time. You're gonna have to order another one. It's just so hard to to assemble this thing back together. All right, thanks guys.